Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact Sellfy Support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner, we can see that you have your profile and all the information. So account settings, billing, email notifications, logout, etc. We have everything about your store and everything in the marketing. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the Sellfy support. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you guys of course need to go and do is go and click on the top bottom bottom right corner where the help button is. Click there, and here as you can see you will have some options. So browse our guidelines below so you can how to set up your store and check out everything. And here we have what can we help with you for you. You can type in there, or you can go to ask our team where you can put your name, subject, send a question, and reach out to the support directly. So how can we help you? We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And you can see that the team is online at the very moment. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.